PENG stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Penguin Solutions and it is 40.5% up. I actually love this performance in a way. See if I still zoom out, you will see where we actually are. But yeah, it's not the best. I've made more videos than anyone else in this space, more proof than anyone else, documented with 39,000 videos. And generally speaking, with Penguin Solutions, it's yet to give me breaks above this high for me to count it as something bullish. Because right now, currently, it's a supply zone, so it's a completely different thing. People are going to just randomly take places, right? I'm saying my rules are not met. I'm going to go ahead and kick rocks. I'm going to stay away. Because this is what I've seen working for me after doing 39,000 videos. And if you want to stay tuned about PNG, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and stay tuned. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.